Hello guys. Today we are discussing about computer networking and internet. So first we have discussed about networking concept. What is networking? Maybe a network can be defined as a group of computers and other devices like mobiles, hard disks, whatever you are using, connected in some ways so as to be able to exchange data. And each of the device on the network can be thought of as a node, and each node has a unique address. Suppose you are connected one computer and two mobiles. So computer or three were liking numbering 1 to 3, and so a computer has a address, unique address, and first mobile has a unique address, and second mobile also have a unique different unique address. So how many devices are connected, that doesn't matter, but each devices has single unique addresses. Then we are discussing about types of networking. Normally there are two types of networking. First one is wide area networking one, and second one is local area networking LAN. Then first we are discussing about one. What is one? One normally, the internet we are using, that is comes under the one, means which covers cities, countries and continents, which was based on packet switching technologies. Example is asynchronous transfer mode ATM and integrated service digital network ISDN. There are two examples of one. Then we are discussing about the LAN. LAN normally covers the buildings or a set of closely related buildings, like our colleges. We are using LAN in our college lab. And so example of LAN is Ethernet, Intranet, Token Ring, Fever Distributed Data Connector, Connect means FDDI. All are coming under the LAN. Please note down these things, and next proceed for the protocols. First we are discussing what is protocols. A protocol is a set of rules for the exchange of data between a terminal and a computer, or between two computers. Think a protocol is a sort of pre-communication agreement about the form in which a message or data is to be sent and a received is to be acknowledged. Means we send the data and received. That is common thing. Then there are so many types of protocols. Normally there are seven types of protocols. First one is hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP. Then simple mail transfer protocol, SMTP. File transfer protocol, FTP. Transmission control protocol, TCP. Internet protocol, IP. User datagram protocol, UDP. Post office protocol, POP. Then we will discuss about one by one. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. This protocol is used to access, send and receive hypertext mark language HTML files on the internet. Normally it is used to send HTML files on the internet. Second one is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. This protocol is used for transferring emails between computers. Normally computer to computer, to send emails computer to computer. Then third is File Transfer Protocol, FTP. FTP allows users to transfer files from one machine to another. Types of files may include program file, may multimedia file, may text file, may document, whatever it may be. Third is next one is Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. TCP is a popular communication protocol which is used for communicating over a network. It divides any messages into series of packages. Like it, suppose there is a one example, what you are taking anything. There is a big particle and it break into small particles, packets. Then it send its from source to destination, and when it reached at the destination, it reunit or reassembled, and the receiver will understand what we are sending. Then next one is Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol is responsible for providing logical addressing called IP address to route information between the networks. Normally, internet protocol used between the networks, not between the computers. Then next one is user database program, UDP. UDP is a substitute communication protocol to TCP, which is implemented preliminary for creating loss tolerance and a low latency linking between different applications. Means it is the preliminary stage of TCP. UDP is the preliminary stage of TCP. Then last one is the post office protocol. Post office protocol by POP is designed for receiving incoming emails. Specific incoming emails. Remember that one. Incoming emails, not the outgoing one. Guys, hope you understand all the things, and also to note the slides, and thank you.